Hello, class, and welcome to week 12 of English 101 online. For this week in English 101 online, we will be working out of the Greats module, and we'll be working out of the first week, Great Learning Resources, week 1. And in this article, you'll be reading about an anchor article entitled, Which Rock Star Will Historians of the Future Remember by Chuck Klosterman. And this module is a little bit different from the other modules in that you will be centering your essay around whom you believe will be an icon, a cultural icon for years to come, be it a musician, a songwriter, an author, an actress, an architect, a painter. Which person, in your opinion, embodies what an icon might be for years to come? And people will be talking about this person for years to come. They'll be writing about this person for years to come. So you get to choose your own person whom you believe embodies this iconic role, someone who might be an icon for years to come. So you're reading about this article by Chuck Klosterman, and you're also going to be watching videos about Elvis Presley and Bob Dylan. And then in the Lumen resource, and it is the icon, it's the tab on the left, it's under Lumen resource, you will be reading a little bit about argument, because this essay is an argument essay, which means that you're going to be strongly supporting your point. And in order to do so, you need to learn about what the criteria goes into for an argument. So the first tab, the first thing that I'd like you to read about in the Lumen is Writing for Success argument. And also you're going to be looking at a student sample essay. So it says student sample argument essay to get an idea of what's required. Later in the week, you're going to be posting on the discussion board for your great discussion board post. And in this particular post, after reading the article, Which Rock Star Will Historians of the Future Remember?, you're going to now talk a little bit about identifying an icon from any field of creative expression or innovation. Could be a scientist as well. And then again, you're going to discuss what makes you interested in this topic, the significance of the field, and what makes the person contribution significant, and what draws you to this person's work. This will be the beginnings of your essay, because once you've scaffolded this information, you've gotten it down, and you can do a little bit more research into the person and the person's role and the person's contributions to society and what makes this person's contribution so iconic. So in about 2 to 3 paragraphs, you'll be writing about this, and again, you'll be responding to 2 other peers about this particular topic. One thing I do want you to note, this essay is different from the other essays, and you will have to embed an image, be it that person or that person's work. You will have to embed an image at the top of your essay so that the reviewers of your essay, i.e. me, can see the person to whom you're referring. So it could be a photo, it could be something, a video, something that represents this iconic person. You'll have to embed it in your essay, and on your works cited page, you'll have to cite it as well. So that means last name of the person, first name of the person, the title of the work. So if it's a photograph, the last name and the first name of the person who took the photograph, the title of the photograph, the year, and the source where you got it from. So you want to follow that, and for more information about that, you'll look at MLA, and you can certainly Google how to cite an image in MLA, or how to cite a photo or a video or so. So that image has to be cited on your works cited page as one of your citations. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.